So, if you cannot trigger remote start function, please follow 3 methods to test. The method 1, you test this orange cable is a handbrake cable. Okay, you don't connect this cable. If this voltage value is almost 4 voltage to 6 voltage, it is normal. Okay, this is red pin 12. This is ground. Okay, this is multimedia. Remember, this point point to direct voltage, now indirect voltage. Now this is wrong. Okay, AC is wrong. This is right. Okay. Now connect this. I connect this handbrake wire. Black pin. As you can see this. Okay. As you can see. Okay. Now almost 0 voltage. If it is from 4 voltage to 6 voltage, it is normal. Okay. No. Yes, 5. It means this is normal. Okay. Handbrake is normal. Okay. Handbrake is normal. When you connect this orange cable to ground, it will be 0. Okay, as you can see. Yes. Okay, just like you connected to handbrake. I hold it. Yes, start.
Wow.
Start, as you can see, start. Okay, you can hold it again. Stop. Blinking. Try it again. Start. Okay, wait. Okay, connect. 0. Okay, sorry. Hold it. Yes. Keeps on. Remote start. Stop. Okay. Thank you. And now this is the second video. Second video, we will, if this voltage is abnormal, then we need to confirm what is the problem, what is the real problem. So we need to test this, the dead, this one, the first one, this one. As you can see, this one is dead. This dead control the remote start also. Remote start is controlled by this electronic component. This is dead. Okay. Okay, now I touch it. As you can see, multimedia screen. As you can see, I touch. Okay, please watch it carefully. I touch. Yes, 4.9. I touch it. Right? It means this is normal. This electronic component, electronic unity is good. If I touch the PCB, I don't touch the dead. I touch this. This is 0. It is not 12. Your video shows 12. It is wrong. The wrong. You touch this almost 5 voltage. If I touch the surface, PCB surface, it is 0. No 11, no 12. If it 11, if it 12, it is wrong. Can you do like this? Do this like this video? Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. So this is the third video. Okay. The first video we test this orange cable. The second video we test this dead. Then we need to test this resistance. This one. Okay. Now as you can see, I touch this. Okay, as you can see, the value changes from the multimedia. I touch this. Okay, as you can see, I touch this. 4.9. If I touch another one, no changes. So you only touch this. Only touch this, as you can see, for 5 voltage almost. This is normal. This electronic unity control remote start also. Okay, change it if it is 5 voltage or not. Red pen touch this. Okay, if you touch this, no voltage, no voltage. On this, touch this. Okay, please check with test remote start by 3 methods. I just show you, introduce you. Okay, thank you, bye bye.
3个了。